Our remote for the dual outlet used for outside lighting stopped working. Checking the battery, I had noticed one of the terminals was very loose, so after opening it up, it was easy to spot that the solder joints are loose. Fixing something like this doesn't take a genius and does not require a top-notch soldering gun either. I'm not a professional at this, but all that's needed is actually heating the joint with the tip of the iron, and as soon as you see the old solder start melting, add a new small drop of solder on the tip and it will transfer to the joint quickly. Just using this vice grip to hold down the board. I got the iron nice and hot and solder ready. As I mentioned earlier, just heat the old solder around the joint and add a drop of the new. Do the same to the second loose joint. And
Try not to breathe in the fumes.
allow it to cool off for 5 to 10 seconds, and you have mastered soldering. Put the board back in the remote case. Then make sure it's clipped on all sides. Back to screw. Time for the battery and the cover. And I have my wireless dual outlet plugged in and a night light plugged into it. And success. There you go. It's working. I hope this helps someone out there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. And you all have a great day.